Oh my gosh, people, I am so excited. So I've been sitting here this morning. It is January 2nd, 2024. A nice cool breeze this morning, very hot. Of course, it's Florida, Central Florida. Very hot, muggy, buggy. And I had to cut down my moringa tree. I'm processing it. There was two of them. There, you can see it right there's one. They're not really big. They're only maybe 2 years old. It's loaded with seed pods. As you can see, the seed pod loaded with them. You can see all of them. So there's two. A little bit of a smaller tree was over there, and I've been harvesting all the leaves so I can dry them out and make my own moringa powder. And the seed pods I'm going to dry out and put them up for sale. And I happened to notice this is a Barbados cherry tree. I've had it for 3 years. I've been loving on it. And I happened to notice something red in there. Can you see it? My very first cherry, people. It took 3 years to get it. And I thought, wow, I got one cherry. But then I was looking around. Look it. I've got little cherries and I never knew it. There's not a lot. So far I've seen maybe a dozen. And I keep finding them because they're like the same color as the leaves. But I got it. It took nearly 3 years. The tree has doubled in size. I've put it in a big pot, but the pot does have big holes on the bottom so the roots can continue out. And I had to stake it up last year. A really rough storm came through and almost blew it out of the pot. So I've kept it staked up since then. That is my moringa. But I've kept it trimmed a little and I let it go a little bit. And I have cherry. It has flushed flowers at least 3 times a year, every year, and I'd get nothing. It would throw flowers and nothing. So I just wasn't expecting anything. I thought I was just gonna throw flowers and nothing again. But I got a cherry. I'm going to pick that one cherry and savor it with my husband. But now I can keep an eye on. There might have been more, and the birds might have ate some because I do have a lot of birds. I feed them to keep them here. I'm super excited. My one little cherry. It's a Barbados cherry in Central Florida. Wow. And we had a very mild summer, mild winter. And I love it. I just wanted to share. 3 years, so you can't give up on things. Sometimes things just need extra care and they need to take a little bit longer than others. Have a wonderful day and go grow something.